How to add private link in Snapchat story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now just open up your Snapchat application on your device and then tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen. Then scroll down and you can see the option of new story under my stories section. Just tap on new story, then you can tap on new private story over here. Now you can select the people that you want to have in your private story. I'm just selecting any random people over here. Then tap on create story. Now you can rename the story or just save it as it is. Then what we are going to do, we're going to go to the private story over here. So just go to the story and tap on camera or just choose any photo or video and then send a snap. Now just tap on any camera roll over here. I've just clicked a picture and you can see different sidebar menu options over here. So just tap on the copy link option. Here you can type a URL or over here just like youtube.com or any specific profile that you want to share. So here I have the Instagram profile that I have attached previously. So I'm just going to tap on that, and after that tap on attach to snap, and it will look something like this and you can share it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.